Yo, Study Squad, are you ready to unlock your IB study swagger? The big question is, how do you study with this IB beast coming at you? We've got 5 tips for you. First is to identify your learning strategy. Unlock your study superpowers with summaries. Find what works best for you. Try active learning. Summarize concepts instead of passive reading. Use the Pomodoro Technique. That is, study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break to stay focused. Revisit your notes regularly for better retention, and consider group study for new insights and motivation. Second is use the appropriate learning tools. Ever wondered how you learn best? Visual learners love charts. Auditory learners thrive on discussions. Kinesthetic learners prefer hands-on activities, and reading-writing learners excel with texts. For instance, all my visual learners, Cornell notes or mind maps, pack main points onto one page like magic. And don't forget the flashcard. Next, we're talking about mastering your craft with practice. Science geeks, clarify concepts, then hit the question banks. Math wizards, math can feel tough, but if you break it down, it's way easier. You got this, wizards. Tip 4. Study mix. When you're revising, blend old and new topics, your favorite and most disliked topics for variety. Make a checklist. Note what you got locked, what to review, and on what you need to focus on. Tip 5. Face the challenge. Now here's the real deal. Tackle the tough stuff. Success comes when you face the tricky topics head on. Get help early. Make your syllabus your sidekick, mix up your strategies, and keep it consistent. You've got this, Study Squad. Relax and enjoy your IB, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more study hacks.